What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to add and sell digital products on Gumroad. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to gumroad.com, which is a great website that will help you to sell digital products, and it's pretty popular too. So whether you are selling like ebooks, audiobooks, or even applications, subscription-based services, you can sell these and more on Gumroad. So, first of all, here you are greeted when you go to gumroad.com, you are greeted with their homepage, and you can scroll down and read more information about the platform or the services offered by this platform. And you can also view their pricing. So if I click on pricing, you can see that they get or they charge you like a 10% flat rate for any of your sales that you are doing. So here you want to log in if you already have an account, or click on start selling to create your account. So I'll just click on start selling here. So here you can sign up with Facebook, Google, X or Twitter or Stripe, or sign up with email and password. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and sign up with email and password. So I'm going to enter them and then click on create account to start creating my account. Okay, so basically that's it. Now I have my account ready. Now, here are some steps to get started and finish setting up your account. So like customize your profile, get your first follower, get your first payout, create your first product, make your first sale, and send out to your first email blast. So what we want to do here is to add a product. So here you can click on create your first product, or you can go to products to view your product. Of course, I don't have any products yet. So you can go to product and you can add a product from here. So either ways, I'll just click here on create your first product. And here you can name your product. So I'll just name it like test product, just to show you the process. And here you choose the type. So if it's a digital product, like a digital download or a file application, stuff like that. If it's a course or tutorial, if it's an ebook, if it's a membership or subscription based service, if it's a physical good, of course, you can sell physical goods also on Gumroad, or if it's a bundle. So I'll just settle here with a digital product. And here the price, you can set the price. So let's say $100. Okay. So here you can click on next. Now here you can enter some more information about your product. So add the description. Let's say this is an awesome product. Okay, and this is how it'll look like as a preview on the product page. Now, here, of course, you need to enter all the description and details about your product, and you can also add like links, add photos, add videos, add like a button to redirect to another link, insert a tweet or stuff like that. And here you can enter like the URL, so rename your product, so like test product. And here you can enter your custom domain if you already have a custom domain name. Now the cover image, that's the image that will appear as on the cover or in the like products page as the cover. So let's upload an image. You can upload it from the computer or a link from an external website URL or from Unsplash. So an image, so like a stock image. So let's upload from a computer. Okay, so this is a logo that I created. Let's say I want to make it as the cover. So open it. It'll upload here. So here it's uploaded, and as you can see in the preview, it will appear right here. Now, next is the thumbnail that will appear in the library. So let's upload a thumbnail. You can also upload it from a computer or a stock image from Unsplash. So let's upload it from the computer. And let's use this logo that I created for a different project. Okay, must be at least 600 by 600. Okay, so let's upload another image. So that's one thing to note, is that the resolution must be 600 by 600 pixel. Okay, let's add this image just for test. Of course, I know it doesn't make sense. Okay, it must be square. So let's upload another image. And okay, this will not work. Okay, so let's upload this one. Just any like random image. I know it doesn't make sense. However, I'm just showing you the process. Okay, now here next you can select the call to action. So the button, the text on the button that will say buy. So I want this, buy this, or pay. So I want this. Let's keep it as it is. Now the summary, let's say you will get this awesome product once you pay for it. Of course, that's like a random message. Here you should like write what your customer should expect, or what's the benefits, what are the benefits of buying your products for your customer. If you are selling a course, for example, you should say something along the lines of you should expect to learn like X program in like X months or in this period of time, something like that. Here you can add some additional details. So here you can add additional details such as like showing the features, showcasing the feature, or like some other info that'll help your customer to buy this product. So here you can add attribute and value. So you know how it goes. So here is $100, or you can allow customers to pay what they want. So if you are like doing a software and you want to give it up for like whatever the customer buys it for, or whatever he is willing to pay for. So if you like want to give them the product for free, however, you can give them message to say like pay what you want, or if you want to make a donation, something like that. And here you can have other variants of this product. So if it's like a software, you can have like a version that'll do something, another version that'll have like additional capabilities, something like that. And here you have some settings like limit product sales, like limiting the maximum number of purchases for a person. So let's say anyone can purchase up to only 2 items. Allow customers to choose a quantity. Okay. Here, as you can see, each element that I add will be automatically added in the preview. Generate a unique license key per sale. So if you are selling a software, publicly show the number of sales your product in your product page. So it made like 100 sales, 200 sales, stuff like that. Generate a unique license key. Okay, we've gone through that. Mark product as e-public. Specify a refund policy. So if you have a refund policy, like you can get a full refund in like 30 days, something like that. And that's basically it. So here you can, these are the information. You can go to content, where you will enter the content you want to sell. So you can like here upload the file or the software itself that you are selling. Here you have an upload button, or like here, sorry, you have the insert file. So if you are selling a file, so here's the create page if you want to create a new page. So let's insert a file. You can insert it from a computer, a Dropbox, or embed video. So let's import it from the computer here. And let's say I want to sell this file, this logo. So I'll insert it right here. Okay, and once it's uploaded, now that it's ready to go. And here are the share options. So you'll need to publish your awesome product first. So these basically are the settings that I need to go through. So I'll save changes, make sure they are saved. And now I can, okay, I need to enter a refund policy title. So for now, let's uncheck this one. Okay, save and continue. And in the content here, let's say save changes. Now the changes are saved, and let's publish and continue. You need to confirm your email address before publishing. So you basically need to go to your inbox and confirm your email address. And once you do, you'll be able to publish your product free of charge, of course. And they'll only charge you once you make a sale. So that's pretty much it. That's how you add digital products to sell them on Gumroad.